Welcome to our channel. Today we how to submit IHSS supplemental timesheets, portal instructions step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the IHSS portal website. Once the page loads, locate the login section on the home page. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Click the login button to access your account. Once logged in, you will be directed to your dashboard. Locate the Timesheets section on the dashboard. Click on the Submit Supplemental Timesheets option. You will see a list of your previous timesheets. Select the timesheet you wish to submit. Review all entries for accuracy and completeness. Make any necessary corrections before submitting. Once satisfied, click the Submit button. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to confirm your submission. Click Yes to confirm that you want to submit the timesheet. You will receive a notification that your submission was successful. Keep a record of the submission confirmation for your records. Log out of the portal once you have completed your submission. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.